Hey friends, welcome to my channel Kids On. Today my topic is all body.
Today we learn about my body, muscles and skeletons. Let's talk about bones and muscles. Our body have a frame of bones, it means skeleton. Our skeleton has 206 bones who work all together. Our skeleton keep our body in shape. If our skeleton is broad, then our body look broad. So friends, you just imagine that our body have no bones. So what happened? I tell you what happened. Without the bones, our body would bend and fall down. Our body have no shape. It's look like a jelly. Thank God we have bones. Because bones help our body to move and work. If you feel your cheekbones, you will feel a hard part and a soft part under your skin. The soft part under the skin is muscles and the hard part is the bone. Look at the cheek of baby and the cheek of skeleton in the picture. Okay, now we are collect more information about bones. Our bones grow as we grow. Our bones are soft when we are young, and they grow stiff and hard as we grow older. Means the baby has soft bones, and when the baby grow, then the bones also grow and hard. X-ray can help see the bones under our muscles and skins. Muscles and bones help us in walking, playing, jumping, swimming, sitting and dancing. Our body need bones and muscles in everyday work and play. Which bones are children using in these actions? Look at the X-ray of a broken arm. In this picture, you see the broken arm. In this situation, we can't move the arm because the bones are broken. You know friends, our bones do not work alone. They move with the help of muscles and joints. Muscles are attached to the bones. Our muscle need food to be active and strong. If we take no food, we have no energy to move, to play, to jumping, to do anything. The joints are also very important for our body. Without the joints, we can't move our leg, arm, foot fingers, hand fingers, neck, shoulder, anything. You know friends, if we have no joints, then we can't eat anything. Because without the joints, we can't move the mouth and we can't chew the food. So joints are important for muscles and bones. You know friends, the bones also protect some delicate parts inside our body like brain, heart, lungs. It's too soft part. If the bone not cover this delicate part, then it's very difficult to save these delicate parts of our body. Our heart is a muscle which pumps blood. If our heart stopped pumped blood, then the blood circulation is stopped. Do you know friends, which part of the body have long bone and long muscles? Do you know? No? So I tell you, it's the body part is leg. So friends, I hope this video helped you to know about our body. So guys, if you like my video, so please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.